Dear students, I hope all are well. Today I am now taking a class accountancy, new chapter, reconstruction of a partnership firm, admission of a partner. Reconstruction of the partnership firm, admission of a partner. Today now chapter new profit sharing. Now discuss with new profit sharing ratio. Today's chapter is new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio. So now, when admission of partner, when is a partner is go through the new profit sharing ratio, how to calculate? How to calculate new profit and why to calculate the new profit sharing ratio? When the business is running, going on, the business may be large scale and small scale. When new partner is admitted in the business, now old partners will be sacrificed. When partner will be sacrificed, why? Now profit will be reduced. So when new partner is coming in the business, then residual of the ratio. So when the ratio will be calculated on now there, then will be calculated the new profit sharing ratio. Now the old ratio is a sacrifice. Okay. At first you calculate the new profit ratio. When any organization, at first let the total ratio is 1. Total ratio is 1. So now let us discuss the one problem. Your NCERT books page 117, page 107, problem number 1. Anil and Vishal are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted Sumit as a new partner. For 1/5 share in the future profit of the firm. Calculate the new profit ratio, Anil, Vishal and Sumit. At first, Sumit's share let total share is equal to 1. Let total share is equal to 1. So now Sumit's share total share is equal to 1. Now Sumit's share is equal to 1/5. The remaining share 1 minus 1/5, 4/5. Okay. So now Anil's old share 3/5. So Anil's new share 3/5 into 4/5 is equal to 12/25. Vishal old share 2/5. Vishal old share 2/5. So Vishal new share is equal to 2/5 into 4/5 is equal to 8/25. So now Sumit's new share 1/5 into 5/5, 5/25. So Anil is to Vishal is to Sumit 12:8:5. So now, how to calculate the new profit sharing ratio? Total share at first 1. So Sumit's share 1/5. The remaining share 1 minus 1/5, 4/5. Remaining share 1 minus 1/5, 4/5. The Anil's whole share 3/5. The Anil's new share 3/5 into 4/5, 12/25. 3/5 into 4/5, 12/25. Vishal's whole share 2/5. The Vishal's new share 2/5 into 4/5, 8/25. 2 by 5 into 4 by 5 is equal to 8 by 25. So Sumit new share 1 by 5 into 5 by 5, 5 by 25. So Anil Vishal Sumit is equal to 12 is to 8 is to 5. 12 is to 8 is to 5. Okay. Now next problem. Akshay and Bharati, number 2. Akshay and Bharati are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Dinesh as a new partner for 1/5 share. They admit Dinesh as a new partner for 1/5 share in the future profits of the firm, which he gets equally from Akash and Bharati. Which he gets equally from Akash and Bharati. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of Akshay, Bharati and Dinesh. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of Akshay, Bharati and Dinesh. So now, here Akshay and Bharati is partners 3 by 5, 2 by 5. They admit Dinesh is new partners for 1 by 5. Share in the future profit the firm, which he gets equally from Akshay and Bharati. Equally get from Akshay and Bharati. So now, Dinesh shares 1 by 5, or now you can write 2 by 10. 1 by 5 means 2 by 10. He gets equally from Akshay and Bharati. Akshay shares. So Akshay shares 3 by 5 minus 1 by 10. 2 by 10. Now 2 by 10 equally distributed. 2 by 10 means 1 by 10 or 1 by 10. 2 by 10. 10 is LCM. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 by 10. 2 by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. So 3 by 5 minus 1 by 10 is equal to 5 by 10. Akshay shares and Bharati shares. Bharati share 2 by 5 minus 1 by 10 is equal to 3 by 10. 3 by 10. The new profit sharing ratio is Akshay, Bharati and Dinesh. The new profit sharing ratio of Akshay is to Bharati is to Dinesh is equal to 5:3:2. 5:3:2. Clear? So now here they admit Dinesh as a new partner for 1/5 share in the future profits of the firm, which he gets equally from Akshay and Bharati. Which he gets equally from Akshay. The Dinesh shares 1 by 5 is a 2 by 10. Now he gets equally from Akshay and Bharati. The total share 2 by 10 means now equally 1 by 10, 1 by 10. Now 1 by 10 share he gets from Akshay. The Akshay share now given to the Dinesh. The 3 by 5 minus 1 by 10 is equal to 5 by 10. And Bharati shares 2 by 5 minus 1 by 10, 3 by 10. So new profit sharing ratio 5:3:2. The new profit sharing ratio 5:3:2. Okay. Now number 3 to the last point, last problem. Page number 118, problem number 3. Onshu and Nitu are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted Jyoti as a new partner for 3 by 10 share, which she acquired 2 by 10 from Onshu and 1 by 10 from Nitu. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Onshu, Nitu and Jyoti. Onshu and Nitu partner sharing profits ratio 3:2. They admitted Jyoti as a new partner. For 3 by 10 share, which acquired 2 by 10 from Onshu or 1 by 10 from Nitu. The Jyoti share now. Jyoti share is equal to 3 by 10. Jyoti share 3 by 10. The Onshu's new share, Ashu's new share 3 by 5 minus 2 by 10 3 by 5 minus 2 by 10 3 by 5 minus 2 by 10 is equal to 4 by 10. The Nitu's new share whole share minus share surrender, whole share minus share surrender, whole share minus share surrender is equal to 2 by 5 minus 1 by 10, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 10 is equal to 3 by 10, is equal to 3 by 10. The new profit sharing ratio, so new profit sharing ratio Onshu is to Nitu is to Jyoti is equal to 4 is to 3 is to 3. 4 is to 3 is to 3. Jyoti share 3 by 10. Onshu new share 3 by 5 minus 2 by 10 is equal to 4 by 10. The Nitu share whole share minus share of surrender 2 by 5 minus 1 by 10 is equal to 3 by 10. The new profit sharing ratio Onshu, Nitu and Jyoti 4 is to 3 is to 3. Okay. Thank you. Today is now end my class. See you again tomorrow. Thank you.